Hello guys, ready na oh. Nandiyan ang mga trellis. Pala-pala kung sa ano. Yan. May runner beans na yan dyan. At saka ano. Sweet potatoes. Runner beans, sweet potatoes. And sunflower. They got also Scottish potatoes there. The one. Yeah, Scottish potatoes. And big onions there. Garlics. These are garlics. And these are tulip flowers. Maliit lang It's only small space but terrible. I can plant many things. And I have still here. That's a chilling labuyo. Spring onions. May mga ano yan dyan. Coriander. There are some still small pots here with seeds on it. I don't know. And my lemongrass.